Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring you stay within platform rules. Use official Xbox accessories and accessibility tools rather than third-party bots. Once done, sign into the account you want to configure and connect your controller with a USB cable for stable mapping. Make sure you have any licensed adaptive hardware available. This prevents accidental violations and keeps settings reversible. Next, open the Accessories app to create a profile. We'll map only permitted shortcuts and accessibility macros, no automated gameplay or cheat sequences. Now configure macros that assist, not automate. In the Accessories app, create a profile and assign simple, human-driven shortcuts like single-button swaps or hold-to-run toggles. Once done, map grenade throw or stance toggles to easier buttons without scripting repeated automated inputs. Make sure to use short delays and require your input to trigger actions. That keeps behavior human and compliant. Test these mappings in a private match or training mode, and adjust timing so actions feel natural and under your control. Finish by saving the profile to the controller and syncing it across your Xbox sign-in. Once saved, play a few rounds in non-ranked modes to confirm responsiveness and no unintended repeats. If you see input lag, double triggering, or any account notifications, immediately revert to the console default profile and stop using the macro-like features. A crucial tip: if you receive warnings or suspensions, cease custom mappings and contact Xbox support. Appeal only with full transparency to avoid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.